Geologist Professor Kapila Dahanayaka says that there is a belief amongst the geological community in the world that the Indo-Australian tectonic plate may have cracked, resulting in the formation of a new tectonic plate. Speaking to News First, Professor Dahanayaka, however, noted that this notion has not been officially established by the geological community in the world.
An 8.6 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Indonesia's Sumatra Island at 2:08 p.m. The quake prompted the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center to issue a tsunami watch for many countries, including Sri Lanka, and was in force until 6:30 p.m. Sri Lankan time.
A tsunami watch was issued yesterday following the 8.6 magnitude earthquake for 28 countries. However, questions have arisen as to why such a giant earthquake did not generate a tsunami. Let me recollect, back in the year 2004, when an earthquake measuring 9.0 on the Richter scale struck off the coast of Indonesia, the manner in which a massive tsunami was generated. As you can see, according to experts, the tsunami in 2004 generated as a result of two tectonic plates in the area shifting vertically and not horizontally. However, yesterday geologists quickly reported that the quake was a strike slip, which means that the quake happened horizontally. What was key to yesterday's outcome was that the main event occurred some distance west to the ocean floor and hence did not produce the very big megathrust action capable of deforming the seafloor in a way likely to generate a large tsunami.
For a tsunami to occur, there are various geological conditions to be satisfied. Of course, there should be an earthquake. Earthquake should have a magnitude on the Richter scale, generally more than 6.5. Epicenter of the earthquake will be on the ocean bed and focus will be below the ocean bed, 10 to 15 or 20 kilometers below the surface. Earthquake occurs when there is fracturing of the rock formations. So when the rock formation fractures, the fracturing could take place vertically, horizontally or at an angle. So for a tsunami to occur from an earthquake, the movement of the rock that fractures, the two portions of the rock that fractures will have to move vertically.
The Earth's surface consists of 12 tectonic plates. The Pacific Plate, also known as the Ring of Fire, is a zone of frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions that encircles the basin of the Pacific Ocean. According to Professor Dahanayaka, there is a theory brought forward by some geologists that a 13th tectonic plate is being formed.
Of course, there are 12 tectonic plates according to the plate tectonic theory. So geologists are talking about a 13th plate also. It has not yet been formally established by the geological community of the world. So they say that Indo-Australian plate, there is an area of cracks developed in the Indo-Australian plate, which suggests that this plate is going to crack and form two plates instead of a single Indo-Australian plate. So that is how this 13th plate has come into being, and it is not yet established or nor accepted by the world geological community at large.
Well, the 8.6 magnitude earthquake was reported at 2:08 p.m. Sri Lankan time, and according to the US Geological Survey, 47 aftershocks have been reported in the area during the 24 hours that ended from 3 p.m. today. And out of that, 30 aftershocks have been reported near the epicenter, while the rest have been reported in the Indian Ocean. The most recent aftershock was reported at around 6:39 today with a magnitude of 5.3.
There's a concern about the after tremors because this morning when I checked our seismic monitoring station, there had been more than 20, and by today noon there had been more than 40, and so this will continue. Normally after a large earthquake, there are similar earthquakes, but before the area gets settled, as we can see in this instant, first main earthquake was 8.7 in the Richter scale, and then we had a 6. Third one was 8.2, and then all the subsequent ones were less than 6. There is no possibility of threat, and so we hope that the area would settle. Sometimes it may take a week or two even before it settles, but possibility of threat is very, very remote.